Welcome friends, and what happened if you are trying to connect your Android phone to any Bluetooth device, TV or that earplug, AirPod, and you are not able to connect the phone? Then in that case, what will you do? I'm going to tell you some 5 6 methods you need to try. You know that Bluetooth in Android phone is the one of the most useful features, and it provides us with a better experience. It allows users to wirelessly share files between two Android phones and connect different devices such as Bluetooth, headset, TVs, and more. So you don't have to worry. And then I'm going to tell you 5 6 methods. First thing, what comes into our mind, why it is not pairing. So there may be many reasons. Maybe you have not turned your phone, turned on your Bluetooth in your phone, or the other devices is connected to any other devices, or there may be a problem with the piece of hardware, Bluetooth signal is weak, or the distance is more. So very first thing is, just it may sound offensive, but it is true. We have found in many cases. Just go and see that Bluetooth is on or not. If it is on, then go there, try to select that your device and try to connect. If it is not on, then your problem is solved. Just turn it on and connect your device. If it is on, then the second thing is, just check for your device. The device should not be more than 10 meter. So bring that device near to your phone and check that that device is connected to any other Android phone or any other devices. If that device is not connected, try to connect, it will connect. But even if it is not connecting, then turn off your Bluetooth in your Android mobile and then switch on, off and on that device. After switching off and on the device which is not connecting to your Android phone, just turn on your Android phone and search for that device and try to connect. It will connect. If it is connecting, that is okay. If it is not connecting, then hard reboot your phone. This is a Samsung mobile, and in Samsung mobile, this power on button and volume minus key, just press both keys simultaneously for 15 seconds, and after that it will restart. After restarting, try to connect Bluetooth with the help of settings. Go to the setting, turn on and then connections, and then Bluetooth, turn it on. Just search for your device and connect. If it is connecting, then very good. Otherwise, clear the Bluetooth. Kaise? How? Go to the setting, go to the apps. Here tap on three dots, then show system apps. Okay, now search for Bluetooth. Yes, open it, and then storage. Here, clear data, clear cache. Just try to clear it, and after that try to connect. It should connect now, because many a times some temporary files may cause to not to connect your mobile to the Android device. But if still it is not connecting, then try to boot your phone into the safe mode. How? Long press power on button for some time, then long press this power off for some time. Enter into the safe mode. What will happen into the safe mode? Some applications will be inhibited. They will not work into the safe mode, and if your device is connecting to your Android phone in safe mode, that means some application is blocking. So try to uninstall the recently installed apps. And if after say in safe mode also you are not able to connect the Bluetooth, then try to factory reset your phone. Go to the setting, search for reset, and then go to the reset here, factory data reset. But I will not recommend this, because you need to have all the data backed up, and you need to know how to restore the data. If you are having data and know how to restore the data, then only you do it, and after that your phone should work. After doing all the 7-8 tricks I have told you in this video, your phone is still not connecting to the your device, Bluetooth device, then please go to the authorized service center for seeking professional help. This is what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.